Hello. Okay, I know I just did a video on this, and since having it, I have learned how to use it much more effectively than the last video that I showed you. So this is our new feeder, and the way it works is we have a nesting bucket situation where we have this lower bucket. It has windows for the ducks. They get to the food, and then there's concrete to about here, so it's poured into the bucket. It keeps it from going anywhere, especially when it gets really windy, and it elevates the food to the head window level, which is nice for, doesn't really keep out rodents, but that's the idea, is that less things can reach it. Anyway, the nesting part is a bucket that has been cut away, and that can allow both windows to be accessed or can block them off. And so the way that I use this, typically, is it just sits there. I usually keep the lid on loose so that I can just add food really easily. And then this kind of just lives like this. And when I come in the morning, I open the door and I just do this. Voila. And then when I bring them in the evening, ta-da. Pretty good, right? I know. I've gotten much better at doing that. And the handle really helps. So that's the news on our latest version of the duck food feeder.